Hello guys, in this video I will guide you how to pin a school community so you can locate it faster, especially for those favorite schools. Okay, so first of all, this is the first thing I often do, that you can drag right here. Okay, and you can put your favorite community on top like this, and when you click here you will see your school, your favorite school right here. And you can only do this on your desktop, and if you do that when you go to mobile phone, you can see it will be on top like this. The second way is to pin a community on your desktop, that you can see this part. Okay, so for that one you will need to click on your profile photo right here and then click on setting. And now look at this part. Okay, and now if I click on this pin, it will show up here, and if I remove it, as you can see, there's no more. But if you click on it, you can see it right here, and you can pin up to 8 communities right here. Okay, so I hope that helps, and this is Sydney from wobblesydney.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you. Bye.